My name is Sean Channel, and welcome to TalSmart News Digest. Our team brings you a fresh story.
Sales is a tough thing to train in, so it's always a good idea to look at how top sellers train their staff. And today, we're bringing you some of the best tips Forbes could find, straight from the peoples who make them work. The top of your list suggests pairing every new sales trainee with an experienced seller. Let new employees shadow top sales members. This will help them learn from the best. Also, the top tip involves knowing case studies involving in competition. Learning how real-life issues can change the course of sales is extremely important. And speaking of real-life issues, another tip suggests that you should analyze real-life sales calls with your trainees. Nothing is quite as striking as hearing your own calls and how they can impact the sales. On a similar note, reviewing past successes can offer positive reinforcement as well as the learning moment. We all know that success breeds success, so modeling success is a good way to make sure you get the best possible results. And of course, some business leaders swear by a little in-person training. Hybrid training, which is both in-person and remote, is an excellent way to go. And multiple leaders mention that making your training customized to individuals is extremely important. One business owner even suggested having people take a personal test to better improve their training. So short, experimental training sessions and hands-on learning were all both and be advised. Finally, it's best to keep the training available whenever possible. After all, your hungriest trainees will want all the knowledge they can get.
At TalSmart, we want to inspire every salesperson to dream big. TalSmart is your go-to sales training and coaching partner that is focused on the IT and software industry. Visit talsmart.com to learn more.